Blutbad.
Hello and welcome back to another behind-the-scenes toy photography video. Today I'm going to show you how to edit out figure stands in Photoshop. I call this shot the Acolyte. I'll also show you the rest of my editing process in Photoshop. The toys I used were May, Assassin, and Jedi Master Sol from Hasbro's Star Wars The Black series. It took me a few attempts to get this shot the way I wanted it. After several failed attempts with my existing dioramas, I eventually gave in and created this brand new set piece just for this shot. I made it by carving and painting a styrofoam cooler. The doorway, of course, is 3D printed. As always, I'll leave a link in the description for the print files. With the scene set, I simply posed and placed my figures. I used a figure stand for May to pose her midway through a flying jump kick. Here's my base image. I actually took two separate exposures, one with May and the figure stand and one without. The first step of my edit was to use a layer mask to blend the two layers together. Next, I used the healing brush tool to remove the articulation joints on both figures. Then, I added adjustment layers for levels and color balance before overlaying a custom vignette. Lastly, I made a slight crop and fine-tuned the lighting with the dodge and burn tools. So once again, here's my starting image. And here's where I ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button and checking me out on Instagram. Thanks, and until next time!